Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Ashish Rudrupal. I start class 12 of class 12, third chapter, current electricity. This chapter is very important for NEET and JEE Mains and Advanced because this chapter, each and every exam, that is JEE Mains and NEET, contain 3 or 2 questions. If you learn very carefully and you see this video, you can easily solve different types of numerical problem. Let's start the chapter current electricity. What is current electricity? Current electricity is the branch of a physics which deals with effect of charge in motion. Okay? In previous chapter, we learned charge, that is at rest. When charge at rest, we deal with in electrostatic. Charge in motion, that is the 2 types of motion. One is constant velocity and another is variable velocity, that is accelerated. Constant velocity we discuss current electricity. In current electricity we discuss charge in motion is a constant velocity, and variable velocity we charge discuss in electromagnetism. Okay. Now, what is called current? What is called current? The rate of flow of charge is called current. It is very simple. Okay, that is I is equal to del Q del T. Clear everyone? I is equal to del Q del T. Now, average current, it is also called a average current. I average is equal to del Q del T. Remind it. But instantaneous current is equal to dq dt. Okay, dq dt. Unit of a current, that is unit of current is equal to charge. What is the unit of charge? Charge is the unit of coulomb. Coulomb is the unit of charge. Time, that is second. Coulomb per second, and it is also called is a ampere. It is called also ampere. Unit of current is also called as a ampere. Ampere, it is also a fundamental unit. Ampere is also a unit of current and it is also called as a fundamental unit. Now, current is scalar or vector. Very interesting thing. Current is a scalar and vector. current although have a direction, but it does not follow vector addition. That's why current is a scalar, not vector. Even if have direction, but it does not follow the vector addition. Because see, why current is a vector? Suppose it is a one path, it is another path, okay, like 2 ampere, 3 ampere, that is total current pass 5 ampere is some angle, but this angle does not make, or this angle also does not affect on the other angle. That's why it does not follow the vector addition. Okay. Now start the density of current. Now we start the density of a current. Okay. Before we start density of a current, we learn 3 types of current. Okay. 3 types of current. One is steady current. Number 1. Steady current. Number 2. Variable. Current. And number 3 is a alternating current. Okay. I have drawn the curve, that is like I denoted from x-axis as time t and y-axis I is an ampere, time in second. Same as well as I draw current I, time t. It is positive current, is the negative direction current, that is times t. Okay. What is steady current? What is variable current? And what is alternating current? Okay. At every instant of time, at every instant or any instant of time, if the magnitude of a current and direction of current remain same, then it is called is a steady current. Suppose as time t time, like that, magnitude are both are same and direction remains also same. That's why it is called is a steady current. Variable current. What is variable current? Variable current, same, at any instant of time, the magnitude of current changes, but direction of current remains same. It is called is a variable current, like this type of line or this. All are is a variable current. Clear, everyone? what is alternating current? Alternating current means at any instant of time the magnitude of current and the magnitude of current changes continuously and periodically reverse its direction. Reverse its direction. This type of current is called a alternating current. Clear, everybody? Now start current density. What is called is a current density. Current density. What is called is a current density. Current density means it is the amount of current. It is the amount of current. It is the amount of current passing through per unit area of cross section, per unit area of the cross section which is held to the direction of flow of current. Clear? That is, it is also denoted is a J. Current density also denoted is a J. That is J is equal to I by A. That is current density is equal to, it is the amount of current passing through per unit area of cross section which is held to the direction of flow of current. Okay? Clear, everybody? Now what is, all things are fundamental, then what is drift velocity? What is drift velocity? What is drift? What is drift velocity? What is drift velocity? It is the average drift velocity. What is drift velocity? It is the average velocity with which free electron moves. Free electron drifted or moves towards the positive potential of the conductor. Okay? Now find out the expression for drift velocity. Expression of drift velocity. Okay? Clear, everybody? Suppose you consider a conductor. Suppose you consider a conductor of length L. Clear? Of length L. Number of cross section, number of electron, that is number of electron is suppose n. Number of electron suppose n. That is total number of electron in a conductor equal to NL. Clear? NL, number of electron in a conductor is equal to NL. At room temperature, electrons are randomly moved. Electrons are randomly moved. Clear? There are thermal average velocity, that is ABG. Average velocity is equal to, suppose first one is first electron, like that U1 vector, second electron U2 vector, UN vector and U2 vector, U3 vector, so many electrons randomly. Then U1 vector plus U2 vector plus plus UN vector divided by N, and this value comes equal to 0. Clear? Because the average thermal velocity of electron is 0. Now start. Thermal average velocity is equal to 0. Okay. Now we start. Thermal average velocity is equal to 0. Now we start. We applied a potential, that is, we connected a battery supply, cell supply. We connected a potential. Electron drifted towards the positive potential, and after the supply the potential, electrons are aligned same direction, that is one direction. All electrons are aligned because this positive and electron charge is negative. Electron drifted towards the positive potential. Okay, that is the final velocity is a B1. Okay, that is B1 vector is equal to U1 for first electron, for velocity of first electron that after applied potential, that is V1 is equal to U1 vector plus A into T1. Clear? At time T1. Okay, that is U1 plus minus A electric force, that is F is equal to minus F is equal to Ma, that is F is equal to minus E into E. F is equal to Ma, F is equal to Ma. Okay, that is M A is equal to minus E by small a into capital E. If sign vector, then vector. Clear? We put the value E by M into capital E vector into T1. Okay, this equation come U1 vector minus E by M E vector into T1. Clear? Now similarly for V2 vector is equal to U2 vector minus E by M E vector T1 T2 dot number of electron, that is a Bn vector is equal to Un vector minus E by M E into T2 vector Tn. Clear? The resultant velocity, that is average velocity. Average velocity is denoted VAVG. Average velocity is equal to u1 first v1 plus v2 plus v3 plus dot 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 plus vn. Clear? Okay. Implies that u1 that v1 that is u1 vector plus minus small e by m into capital E vector into t1 plus u2 vector minus small e by n e vector into t2 plus dot 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 plus un vector minus e by m capital E vector tn. Putting all u together, that is u1 plus u2. Sorry, one mistake have to there. Small n. u1 plus u2 plus dot 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 plus un vector divided by n minus e by m common capital E common t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus dot 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 plus tn by small n. Clear? This value comes 0 minus e by m a vector into tau, and this is denoted is a tau. Tau is called average time, that is the relaxation time. Clear? That is ultimate equation drip velocity. What is the ultimate equation of drip velocity? Vd or V average is equal to minus small e by m capital E into tau. Okay? Clear everybody? Think clear? Very simple. And this is a relaxation time. And Vt, this equation also come minus E by m into V by L into tau. Since we know E is equal to V by L. Okay? Clear? Or B is equal to, or you write B is equal to E into L. Same as it is. Because this velocity, every viewers not mind it, this B is referenced as velocity. Mind it is called the potential with respect to E. Okay? Clear? Okay, fine. Now we start. Some example in the first equation. Some example in the first equation. Clear? Like that. Relaxation. First, we know one equation. It is a one equation, two equation is equal to this is a general equation, and this equation come from apply the potential after apply the potential equation. Okay. Okay. Now what is the relation between drip velocity and current density? Clear? Very easy. suppose we consider one conductor, consider a conductor of length L. We consider a conductor of length L, and we applied after external electric field. We applied the external electric field, same this previous diagram. Some applied external electric field. There are so many numbers of electron. There are so many numbers of electron and number of electron. Applied an external EXT. Apply the external electric field like that. Okay. We consider two region. This is A and this is A dash. Okay. Electron required time t, electron drifted towards here. Clear? Sorry. Electron drifted, we change towards here. From here, A to A dash, A to A dash. That is from A to A dash. Okay, that is a here net charge in time dt. Okay, let a time here time dt. Okay, because small displacement, that is required small time. Okay, at time dt the charge passes through from A to A dash. Okay, that is how many numbers of charge pass, that is dq amount of charge to pass. Let dq amount of charge, what is the value? Charge into number of electron. I don't know how many numbers of electron. This is how many charge will pass. That is number of electron, that is n, into volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder A to A dash. Volume of cylinder A to A dash. That is when it is a per number of electron per unit volume. Number of electron per unit volume. Clear or not? That is equal to E, clear, into N into A. Volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder, it is area into velocity into time dt. Clear or not? Is equal to that is dq by dt comes towards or divide dt E N A V T. The rate of flow of charge from this part, and this dq dt also called a current I. Clear? Also called current I. So I is equal to, that is I is equal to N E A V D. This is the relation between current density and drift velocity. There is a relation between current density and drift velocity. Okay, and this current relation between drift velocity also this relation written as, can be written as I is equal to N E A V D. It is also written as NEAVD. This fraction come, okay, that is minus E by M E into tau. Clear or not? If I magnitude, then I is equal to N square A by M into tau. Clear? Okay, and I is equal to N square A V by ml into tau. Clear? These are all are very useful to numerical problem. Very easy to solve the numerical. Very easy to solve the numerical. And also written as, that is potential V. V is equal to ml by n square A. N square A. Okay, N square A, tau to I. Clear or not? All are constant. These all are constant. That is written as Bs proportional to I. Bs proportional to I. Also can be written as Bs proportional to I. If mass, length, potentials, all are constant except n and tau. Except n and tau can vary on charging temperature or changing the temperature. This can be changed temperature. Okay, I think all are clear, everybody, our viewers. Thank you. And if you possible to share with your friend, and obviously subscribe my channel. Thank you.